Yorobon 안녕하세요. Guys, ito na yung part 10 ng mga vocabulary na sinusort out ko from book to na minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. So, kung gusto niyo may pasa yung exam, memorize at least 10 to 20 vocabs every day. Pendinge, strapping machine. Purida, to throw away. Purulpupta, to take a number. Pulkumulnida, to be fine. Polirolchapta, to get rid of worms. Popchogoro, by law. Popchonggullo sigan, standard working hours. Popchongyuel, statutory vacation. Pyo, rice. Pyukdol, break. Pyungyong ganong witso, possible number of changes. Byulduro chikupada, to be separately. Pyungga, sick leave. Pyungga kigan, period of sick leave. Pyungga sayo, causes of sick leave. Pyungunbe, medical bills. Pyungwan, illness. Puguhada, to report. Puguanada, to store. Purum tarul Buddha, to look at the full moon. Pori, barley. Pusangul batda, to receive settlement funds. Pusuada, to repair. Puanyong, safety goggles. Puanmyon, safety mask. Puhingkumji, no pedestrians. Pohomgumol chikupada, to pay out insurance claims. Pohomgumol chungguhada, to file insurance claim. Pohomgumol tada, to receive insurance payouts. Chulgunol churipada, to symbol river. Chungguso, bell. Chungchupchang, wedding invitation. Cheryuganong kigan, allowed length of stay. Cheryukigan, sojourn period. Cheryukigan yunjang, extension of stay. Cheryujagyok, status of sojourn. Cheryujagyugwe waldong, activities not permitted under one's status of sojourn. Cheryuji ipchungsoryo, proof of residency. Cheryuada, to stay. Chiyuktiwe, athletic meet event. Chongek, crosspay. Chuigugeon, the highest temperature. Chuijugeon, the lowest temperature. Chuijuimgom, minimum wage. Chuizo, the first. Churaksago, falling. Churakada, to fall from a high elevation. Chubangduida, to be deported. Chutunada, to recommend. Chusok, Korean Thanksgiving. Chuksa, cowshed pigsty. Chuksanop, livestock and dairy industry. Chugigom, congratulatory gift of money. Chukada, to celebrate. Chugada, to release. Chulkukizong Singoso, departure form. Chulsan Yuga, maternity leave.